We are delighted to be celebrating the fact that our first cohort of apprentices have made it through their course and have graduated. So they are the first UCD or user-centred design apprentices in Wales, probably the UK and maybe even beyond, but they've graduated and we are delighted. They've been amazing. The programme itself was set up to create practical pathways into digital jobs, and that's exactly what we've seen. So they've brought ambition and talent and hard work and passion to the job and have been super successful. We're absolutely delighted.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I think both Ruth, Alex and Sarah, they've all done a fantastic job. They joined us back in September of 2024, where they started on their first placement with content design for 3 months, then moved to user research for 3 months, then service design and finally interaction design. And they've spent the last 6 months of their apprenticeship really kind of specialising and embedding themselves within the squad, and really just putting everything that they've learned into their work. And it's been really great to see how much they've developed over this 18-month period. And yeah, we're just really excited to see where their career takes them. I think this apprenticeship not only has the potential to change the lives of the people who undergo the apprenticeship, but also change the lives of the Welsh public. I think if we have services that are more user-centred, more accessible, it's just a positive for everyone. So it's really exciting times and it's just the beginning.